Southbound. Oh, sorry. Oh wow, looks like we got coal. I love Wednesdays. This coal train's probably going to go down to Portsmouth. Oh, saying, note this, the Norfolk Southern line in Marion goes down to Portsmouth, right?
Yeah.
Portsmouth, Ohio. Line along the Ohio River. Tomorrow we're going to take all that coal down to Portsmouth, Ohio.
I think it goes to North Carolina.
What?
I think it goes to North Carolina or Virginia.
Oh, it's probably going to either West Virginia or Virginia.
Yeah.
Alright guys, didn't get the symbol for this coal train, so if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the southbound coal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video, okay? Bye, and that's all for now.